it's not much of a job, but I'm just going to put all this lead back in now because I've finished all the electrics inside. Well, almost. There's just one or two little things. I'm just waiting for some new fans to arrive, but mostly it's all done. So these are just stuck in with Sikaflex. So I'm going to find some really. I made these lead weights, and when I got to the end of it, when I finished, well, I didn't make that one actually. When I got to the end, I was making these brick shaped, and I ran out of molds. I miscalculated and I had more lead left, so I quickly went into the kitchen and grabbed the first thing I could find, which was some pie tins. So these are tin foil pie tin shaped bricks. Right, I'm going to put all this lot back in. Right, everything's pretty much back in. As you can see, well, kind of see, everything's more or less back to normal. What else have I got to do? I've got one or two little things, but nothing spectacular. This 1 inch dump side. Now I've got to be careful not to muck this up, which has been known to happen before. Right, this is the old one, and although it is a 1/2 inch at that end, on the BSP end it's 0.4. So you're losing a bit there. I mean, no wonder it didn't vent very quick. In comparison, this one, that is 3/4 inch there, as it should be, and here it's 0.62. So again, I'm losing a bit, but that should really help. These are, I made these so that you can screw in a plug. There's a blanking plug to fit in there, and also I just think it looks better on the valves. But that is 0.57 of an inch, and this one is 0.62. So I mean, it is smaller, but not by a massive amount. I don't know. I think that probably could go back on and you wouldn't really notice any difference. I'll have to see how it works. But I'd prefer to keep these in if I could, because like I said, there's a stopper in there that I can plug the valves with, that divers could use in the event of me being incapacitated and them having to bring the boat up on it without me. I just had to put a little kink in the tube. I didn't do that in any sophisticated way. I just put it in the vise and bent it. Right, so I've done the bow vent. That's now a 3/4 inch pipe, as opposed to the 1/2 inch, which actually the smallest part of the 1/2 inch was 0.4 of an inch, which is ridiculous. No wonder it didn't sink. Anyway, this should do the job. Should sink like a stone now. And of course, a bit of CAD work.
I'll try and make this quick because I've been doing hundreds of these. I'm trying to get some sort of inspiration based on this, pretty much this kind of hull design. I've got a good price from a company in the UK to make this whole thing for me, including up to this point, not including the tower, but so I'm sort of basing everything at the moment on this. I'm just like I said, just trying to find some sort of inspiration. That one wasn't really very good. I just trying to get some shapes that I like the look of. They obviously need to work as well. What's this? Sub sausage, right? This one's got quite a few. Let's have a look. Yeah, it wasn't very good. Yeah, that's it. I was trying to get a kind of this front dome sort of coming off at an angle, something like this. Let's get rid of that bit. Not that. Oh dear, what's that? There, I don't know, something like that. I kind of like the look of. Obviously, I mucked up there with the size of these. These would need to enclose these ribs. What's this one? Spacey. Yeah, I kind of was looking for a sort of spaceship type design. I haven't really finished this, but I need to loft this from there to there, but I couldn't get it to work. Not to follow this profile, but I think I can do it now. Right, pen. Oh yeah, pen. Literally had a pen on my desk, and I thought, oh, that looks quite a cool shape. Where's the canvas? I found a picture of it on the internet there. So I sort of thought, I'll make something like that. I was obviously getting a bit desperate at this point. So I don't know, that's okay, but it's got to be the functionality is more important than what it looks like, but it's just got to look right as far as I'm concerned as well. This was kind of based on Nemo style tanks, I think, that kind of thing. I didn't really get much further with that one. This one I kind of like, nice clean lines, but I haven't got a lot of freeboard there, so this would need a sail or at least a cover to go over that, which then spoils the look. So not sure. Pod, not sure, but basically I'm sort of still I just want to get this ordered. I'm just finalizing the engineering side of it, and I just put a bit of paint on there. This will have about 4 coats of this primer now before I put the top coat on. So it's had 1 coat of aluminium primer and now about 4 coats of this stuff.